Hello everyone, my name is Charles and I'm a third year student at GCM. Today I'm going to be showing you how I designed the sticker on the outside of your package. Before I began designing, I knew that I wanted to incorporate the Command P, which is the shortcut to print, into the artwork. And so I sketched out both keys holding each other. I visited this very cool website called coolors.co, and essentially it's a free color palette generator. Press a spacebar on your keyboard until you see a color that you like. You can then lock the color that you want to use and continue the spacebar pressing process until you're left with a color palette of your choice. After I was happy with my color palette created on Coolors, I used the hex codes to transfer the colors to my swatches panel. Next, I placed the sketch that I drew on Procreate onto my artboard. I made sure to lock the artwork in the layers panel to keep it in place. Now that we're locked in, I selected the curvature tool and started tracing my artwork. I do this for the arms and legs, and since the legs for both characters were the same, I selected the two and clicked and dragged while holding the Alt key on my keyboard. What this does is that it copies the selected objects and pastes them. For Mac users, this would be your Option key. Now that I'm satisfied with my artwork, I am going to add the colors that I gathered from Coolors and change the fill of the objects that I created from the swatches panel. Next, I added a background for the characters using the Shape Builder tool and made the edges round by clicking and dragging the points at the corner. Now I'm adding these stars, which is a design element that has been used on the other pieces in your package. Here I used the outline of a circle, and using the Type on a Path tool, I created the text for your sticker. All that was left to do was create a die line to tell the printer where to cut. I then copied the blue rectangle, pasted it in place, moved it to the back, and added an outline. Then I created a new swatch for the stroke of the rectangle, switched it to a spot color, and then called it Cut Contour. And there you have it, that is how I created the stickers on your package here at GCM.